Hey everyone, in today's video we're going to show you how to clear your browsing history in Google Chrome. Whether you want to keep your browsing private or just clean up your browser, this step-by-step guide will help you get it done in just a few simple steps. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open Google Chrome on your computer. Step 2. In the top right corner, click on the 3 vertical dots to open the menu. Step 3. From the menu, select History and then History again from the dropdown. Step 4. On the left, click on Delete Browsing Data. Step 5. A new window will pop up. Here you can choose the time range for which you want to clear the history. If you want to clear everything, select All Time. Step 6. Make sure Browsing History is checked, and you can also select other types of data to delete like cached images and cookies. Step 7. Click on the Delete Data button, and voila, your browsing history is gone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. See you next time.